Yeah, L, right? L. L for what? L for lion. L for ladybug. L for leaf. L for log. Right, Stephen? How about what letter today? You will study with mommy? After letter L is letter what letter? Letter L. This one L already. Now mommy want to keep it. Mommy want to show you the next letter. That letter is that letter sound make M. Can you say it? M. M, not yet touch. Mommy will let you choose later. Can you say it? M. 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 M makes sound. Can you say it? M. 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 You want to say it right? Okay, one more. M has. Yeah. That's letter M sound make. One more. Oh, upside down. Kick, kick. Oh. Mau. Stephen, can you say it? Mau. M for mau. Stephen, can you say it? M for mau. M for mau. One more. More, yeah. M for moon. M for moon. Can you say it? Moon. Moon. M for moon. Yeah, M for moon. M for mau. Okay? M for moon. M for mau. One more. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah. That's animal. Ta-tan! Monkey. Do you know monkey? M for monkey. M for monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah. One more is, do you know what that picture? The last picture is, who am I? Stephen, who am I? I am mother. I am mommy, right? Mother. Stephen love mother. Yeah, mama. Mama. Stephen, can you say it? Mama. Mama. M for mother. M for moon. M for monkey. M for mouth. M sound. M for monkey. Ooh ah, ooh ah. M for mouth. Monkey. Mouth. Monkey. Mouth. Monkey. Mouth. Monkey. Mouth. Monkey. Mouth. Monkey. Mouth. Which one monkey? Ooh ah. That is ooh ah, right? You are correct. clap your hand for yourself. Which one is mouth? Mouth. Monkey already. Which one mouth? Yeah, that one is mouth. Clap your hand. Good boy. Don't read for mommy, con. Don't read for mommy, please. Please, mommy want to stick it. Yeah, good job. Let mommy stick it first. Can you lift it? Can you lift it for baby? Okay, mommy stick it on the board. Okay. Mouth. Can you say it? M for mouth, M for monkey, M for mother. Mother. Moon. Mother. Moon. Mother. Moon. Mother. Moon. Mother. Moon. Mother. Which one is mother? It's mommy. Mother. Mother. Mama. Mama. Good job. That one is mama. Right? Mother is mama. Okay? It's me. Okay? It's me. Setipong mommy. Setipong mother. Okay? Good job. Well done, baby. This is moon. Okay? This is mother. Okay, it's broken. Well done, baby. Oh, okay. Mommy stick it. Oh. Here. Can you say it? M. M for moon. M for monkey. M for mother. M for mouth. M. 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 High five. High five go. Good job. Okay, clap your hand. Tan tan tan, not the tan 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 tan. Okay, sát thuốc. Sát thuốc. Kêu hỏi. Bye bye. Hello, mommy and daddy. It's me again. Today's English class. Thank you for your watching all my video, for your love, for your like, for your share, for your subscribe. Thank you for your mom, for mommy and daddy are new in my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you again.